We brought this down to Malta just for the Gadgets Expo. So together, you're gonna see it before me because I'm gonna open it in your direction. In here I have the Sony Aibo. This is the new Sony dog which we saw while we were at the fair in Berlin, but we have one here. The Gadgets crew managed to get their hands on one for the Gadgets Expo. So we're giving birth to Sony's Aibo. We'll call him the Gadgets dog, shall we? Let's call him the Gadgets dog. Let's see inside what there is together. So we have a box inside a box, which I just realized I think I opened from the wrong side. Box is very tightly fitted, and first one goes away. Aibo, very interesting for you to know. While we were on the Sony stand, they told us why it's called Aibo, because the word Aibo stands for companion. Let's see what there is inside. Let's get it out. Okay, this is Aibo's, let's call it eggshell. So here we have some accessories we will get to shortly. Let's make sure there's nothing else inside the box. No, that seems it. So, footprint designs on the box, as you can see here. The start here user's guide, which seems quite straightforward. This is his charging point, because as we had seen in the fair, uses the same system that most robot vacuum cleaners do, that when he is tired and needs to charge, he goes back to his own charging station. This I can see slides there, it wobbles. Ball, which he reacts to, and he also basically brings it back, or you can tell him to fetch the ball and do several other tricks, which we will find out together. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's asleep, cute little Aibo. Look, he's actually packed in a way that he looks as though he's really, really, really cozy and cuddly. This is a product which I wouldn't call a toy, especially at the price that Sony are selling it. I mean, this sells at something close to $3,000. It is full of sensors and cameras. He's got a camera on his rear end. He's got a camera in the front. His eyes are LCD screens. He's got sensors all over the place. Personally, for me, I think he's the most intelligent and the most advanced, let's say, robotic pet one can have. It's the moment of truth. Is he alive? Okay, the green LED has lit. Let's see if he comes to life. Aibo! It's alive! He seems to be like me. He stretches in the morning. Look, oh, he's so cute. Look at him. So he's gradually standing up. And look, he stretches as well. Oh my God, he shakes his head like most dogs do when they wake up. He's extremely silent, surprising. Extremely realistic, the amount of movements he does. I said I had seen him at the fair, but not so up close and personal. Let me try and, oh look, he's going for a walk. 1 second, I don't want him to stay here for now. Thank you. Let him face our audience. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. I don't know what I did. Obviously, I am going to get to know Aibo with the Gadgets crew here, but for all of you out there, don't forget, Aibo came specifically for the Gadgets Expo taking place during the Malta Robotics Olympiad at the MFCC. Even he's telling you, all of you, come and say hi and meet Aibo one-on-one. Hey.